If you somebody growing up without a mom, without a dad, without siblings, without a passion,
Like Kai
without a
here.
goal, without life in general, bro, it's not over for you. The man above never gives us more than we can handle as individuals, no matter if you're a female, you're a male, no matter who you are in life, everyone has a purpose. You just have to find that purpose and then tap into that purpose. You're gonna need somebody. None of us can do it by ourselves. And this is a true testament of the last 30 days that we've seen someone not be able to do it by himself. Lock in, believe in what you believe in. Nobody else matters. You have to hold yourself accountable. You have to hold yourself to your truth. You have to hold yourself to your beliefs, and always believe in the power of the man above. Because nobody in the history of life been able to do it by themselves.
That's true.
Nobody. Don't worry about the haters. They ain't shit. Don't worry about the naysayers, because they ain't shit. Whenever you feeling a way about yourself, you look in the mirror and you say, you are the only thing that matters. There's a good quote by Theodore Roosevelt that I always believe in and I always look at. It's called The Man in the Arena. And the basis of the quote is about all the doubters and the naysayers can say everything that they want to say, but they have never stepped inside the arena, so they don't even know what it feels like to have blood, sweat, and tears.
That's a powerful
so
one.
So how can they tell you what the hell to do if they've never done it?
Right.
Yes.
At the end of the day, be true, be loyal, be perseverant, and just love yourself, man. King James signing.
Yo, just find your purpose and hold yourself accountable. Yeah. Shout out.